Hi there, my name is William Grant and I want to talk to you about Zahid Zaman. He has written loads of books and he'll show you how you can too. This course consists of 17 short videos and contains a total of 164 tips for writing your short story or novel quickly. Zahid Zaman has read dozens of books on how to write to distill these 164 writing gems. This writing training course consists honest advice based on Zahid Zaman's real life experience in the writing field. Zahid will show you step by step through 17 short videos how he wrote over 150 tales and over 30 books. This 1 hour training course contains 164 nuggets of writing wisdom. All the points are in short 30-second concise tips which anyone can learn in a short space of time. So if you're interested in learning how to write novels and short stories quickly, then this 1 hour writing training course is for you.